A scary accident with a boy when he downloaded an old version of Subway Surfers at 3 a.m. will shock you. But before I tell you, please subscribe. Otherwise, this ghost will get out of your mobile screen. At first, everything looks normal. Until the game changed. The station became dark. The music slowed down. And a strange word appeared on screen. Don't look behind you. Then his character stopped running. The guard slowly turned toward the screen and smiled. The boy heard footsteps behind him in real life. He looked back. Nothing. But when he checked his phone again, his own face was inside the game running on the tracks, and a black shadow was chasing him.